Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 43. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 3 here and a 9 here, so this is our 1. That 9 makes this our 3, 9. For this column now, we're missing 2, 4, and the 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 4, 2 here, so 4, 6, and no help here, 2, 4, 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got 5 here, 6 here, so this is our 8. That 6 makes this our 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got the 5 here, so 1, 4, 1 here, so 4, 5, and no help here, 1, 4, 5. For this top row, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 8, 8 here, so 3, 4, 3 and 8 here, so 4, 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 8. That means the only place the 3 can be in this box is here. For this column now, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 covering both of these boxes. That means this has to be our 8. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. That 8 makes this our 2. We can get rid of this 2. For this row, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 4, 7 here, so 9, 7. That 4 makes this our 5. We can get rid of this 5. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8, and I don't see any help, so 4, 8, 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 5, 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column now, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 7, 3 here, so 9, 3. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 4, 5 here, so 6, 5. That 4 and 5 makes us our 1, 4, 8, 4. For this box now, we're missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. That 4 makes this our 6, 4. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.